I'm going to be comparing and looking at the differences between these different Wasp and Hornet killers. They all are branded for Wasp and Hornet specifically. We have Wondercide, we have Real Kill, and we have Spectracide. Now, they've all got some good things going for it. They're all decently effective for actually killing bees and wasps. Now, there's some differences between them. So we've also got different sprays for them. They're all good for spraying at different lengths away. And we're going to test those out to see how far they really do spray. And are the claims true from what my perspective is? So let's take a look at them. So we're going to look at Wondercide first. This one is the most unique one I've seen. The thing that sets this one most apart is the fact that it is safe around pets and people when used as directed. This kills by contact. It's powered by plants. It has ingredients in it like lemongrass oil and other great ingredients. So the biggest difference is that this Wondercide Wasp and Hornet spray actually smells good and doesn't smell toxic. Now let's take a look at the spray. And I'm going to show you how far we can spray here. All right, we can go toward the fence. Now, this is the Wondercide, and right after spraying it, I smell the lemon already. I can smell that lemongrass, and it actually smells really nice. It is surprisingly how nice this smells. I would have never thought that a Wasp and Hornet spray would actually smell good. Not just, it's okay, it's not toxic, but no, it actually smells good, like someone just lit a candle. Next up, we have the Real Kill Wasp and Hornet. This says it has a 20-foot jet spray. It says it's non-staining. Now, this does have a lot of ingredients. The main active ingredients, I don't even know how to pronounce. So I don't know what that means. But we'll take a look at its spray. It says 20-foot spray. It's not going as far. All right. The Wondercide here says sprays up to 15 feet, yet this was actually a further spray than what I was getting with the Real Kill. Now let's take a look at the Spectracide. This is also a Wasp and Hornet killer. This is a 27-foot jet spray. So this is the claiming to be the longest one of these three that I'm comparing here. Now we're going to look at the active ingredients as well on this one. We have unpronounceable ingredients as well. I believe they're even the same exact ingredients. Yes, these are the exact same ingredients in the same, practically the same percentages as well. Versus Wondercide active ingredients, I know how to pronounce. We got lemongrass oil. So that is a big difference there. So let's take a look at Spectracide's 27-foot jet spray. All right, we're about hitting the same spot. That is not 27 feet. I can tell you that. That is not 27 feet away from me. And I'm going to check out the Wondercide again one more time and see what we got there. All right. So, while we have different claims here, 15 feet, 27 feet, and 20 feet jet sprays, that was nowhere near 27 feet. That was more like 8 feet. And this one here, I'd say those two were actually equivalent as far as distance sprayed. This one only claims 15 feet, and this one claims 27 feet, but they were actually spraying to the same distance. Real Kill fell short, literally and figuratively, as far as the jet spray. So these were the same as far as distance, even though this one claims to be 12-foot further jet spray distance. But the smell from this one, I'm going to spray it here on the table a little bit. Toxic. It smells horrible. Versus this one from Wondercide, I can instantly smell the lemongrass. That lemon scent is actually really nice. And I have just used this on the wasps and hornet nests in my backyard earlier today. And I saw it kill them on contact. And then I was able to knock down the hive after that safely once they were all dead. So this is the clear choice winner for me. This is great for protecting your family. It's safe around pets and people when used as directed, and it's powered by plants. So as you see here, you know how to pronounce those ingredients like lemongrass oil. So this is a really nice Wasp and Hornet spray. And for me, this is a clear winner, hands down, as far as ingredients go, smell goes, and effectiveness. This one wins all three. Highly, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.